Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to block someone on WhatsApp. When there's no active chat containing the contact you wish to block, you can block it via privacy in your profile settings. This method works on both Android and iOS. Step 1. In WhatsApp, tap the three-dot icon in the top right corner and go to Settings. In your profile menu, and select Privacy. Scroll down in the Privacy menu until you see the Block Contact item. Tap on it. Below, Block Contacts, you'll see a list of all previously blocked contacts, if any. To add any existing contact to the list of blocked contacts, tap the person icon with the plus sign in the top right corner and select the contact in question from the list. This way, you can only block contacts but not report them. To report a contact to WhatsApp, navigate to the respective chat and contact profile. There are many reasons why you may want to block a WhatsApp number. Perhaps someone's pestering you, or you keep receiving spam or malware from an unknown contact. After you block a number on WhatsApp, you will no longer receive any messages or calls from them in the future and will be protected from harassment or scam attempts. To unblock a contact, go to Block Contacts in your WhatsApp account and you'll be able to unblock the contact anytime. We recommend creating a WhatsApp backup of your chats to recover accidentally blocked chats or contacts later on. WhatsApp doesn't notify users once they've been blocked, but there are a few signs that indicate if you're blocked by someone. You can no longer view their status updates nor online status. You'll no longer see the profile picture of a contact. Sent messages receive only a single check mark. And you can no longer call them. And that's all. Thank you guys for watching these videos and see you guys for the next videos.